Hi everyone, I am Ashfaq. In this video, I will explain Nokia 6.1 Google account bypass without PC method. If you don't know your Google account password, don't worry. I will explain step by step. I will explain. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. Okay, let's see the video. Select your native language and after that you connect the Wi-Fi connection and I will connect my another mobile hotspot and wait 1 second. I will connect my Wi-Fi. Now is asking Google account ID and password. If you don't know your Google account, don't worry. I will explain step by step. I will explain and select the emergency button and click the emergency mode. Click the picture and choose in image. Clearly watch, choose an image, select and long press and drive options, and after that is coming to permission option and click the permission option and search the setting. Wait 1 second, I will search in setting. And click the security option. After that, click the screen pinning option. Any pin number you will type. I will type 40. It's the easy pin number. I know. Is done. Now pin number is activate. Go back to home option. Don't worry, now your phone is unlocked. Seriously. Now is asking your verify pin and already you will type the 40. That pin you will input the pin number. Now is showing skip option for your phone. Your phone is now unlocking. Oh my goodness. Click the skip option. Your phone is now unlocked. Oh my goodness. And every day I uploaded useful video for you. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? See you next video.